Hello everyone, happy Republic Day, and today is a very special day for me and for Crack Every Test as an organization. We just completed 4 months and we have way overshot what we had thought Crack Every Test would become. So today is one day for celebration, and that is why I've decided that whoever registers today, that is on 26th January, uh, there's a great offer for all of you. Uh, the offer is not only for people who want to join as individuals but also as groups. I'll explain everything later, but the one thing that I have to tell you is that this is the day when अब serious हो जाओ. Like now you guys have to be serious. अब सारा मस्ती खत्म. 1.5 महीना बचा है. You have only as many days as much as you need for CET preparation properly. If you guys have taken the CAT, ZAT, SNAP, NMAT, कुछ भी दिया है, NMAT का वापस तुम्हारा re-exam बाकी है, whatever it is, but you guys need to understand, now is the time you have to start preparing, not for CET, but for JBIMS. Okay? You are preparing for your dream college, for your dream score, and ultimately you're preparing for your dream career. Now understand, it's high time, pull up your socks, and to aid your preparation, I am here to aid your preparation and to celebrate the overall success that the students have brought Crack Every Test. I'm here to help you out. So this is something that I have gotten for you guys. So yeah, uh, so all of you know my course. My course is basically, so for the people who don't know about it, I've taken the CET 4 times, and all 4 times I've scored what people would say is a really great percentile, but I wasn't satisfied because I wanted only JBIMS. So every time I had over a 99.99 percentile, my least has been 99.4. So you can imagine that it is a good percentile. So over the 4 years, I've prepared my ass off. I worked my ass off. So I have a lot of tricks. I know the CET inside out. And that is why I can tell you that I have a lot of tricks which really help not just me but also the students that I've taught, because for the last year and a half I've been teaching, and all these tricks have helped the students tremendously. So that's 4 years of my experience clubbed into just all these sessions that I have made. I've tried to put in as much content there. I've to put in try to put in as much knowledge there as I had, and I've prepared this course for you. And as you can see, the course includes all these things, where you have unlimited access to all my lectures till the MBA CET. I personalize a study plan for each of you guys. Apart from that, there is daily practice for LRDI that people are struggling with. I have a history of making sure that students really increase their LRDI speeds. You can ask any of my students. I guess you can find the numbers very easily. Just call me up. Just message me. I'll tell you. I'll give you the numbers. They'll be more than happy to talk to you. There is daily vocabulary and grammar practice. So the people who are weak at English, we are going to work on that regularly. Vocabulary, grammar, everything. The whole English part, there's going to be daily practice for it. There are 2 lectures. Actually, there are 5 lectures, especially on strategy and analysis. 2 are already done, and I've decided that there will be 3 more. 2 special strategy lectures and 1 lecture just on 10th March. But I'm going to take for your final mile to CET. That is what I'm going to do. I'm assuming that CET will be on 13th. उस हिसाब से अगर CET delay हुआ, then we'll delay the lecture. It's absolutely fine. Nothing to worry about. But yeah, in the end, you're gonna have 3 more live lectures, and you have 2 special lectures on strategy and analysis. So you have in all 5 lectures just to teach you how to tackle the CET, and all other sessions that I have to teach you how to solve things very fast with all my tricks. And apart from that, the people who are doing very well, who are scoring very well in the mocks, I make sure that I increase their percentiles, I increase their scores, I tell them what is going wrong by taking one-to-one sessions with them. Okay. So, and the fees has been reduced for today. For today, one day there is the fees is has been reduced by 500 for each and every pack, whichever pack you select. We have 3 packages for mock tests, whichever you want to select, you can see. And apart from that, if you just want my course, there is the fee, that is 4,000 rupees. If you are a group, like if you register as a group of at least 3 or more, then you again get more 500 rupees off on this, but that's something that we'll discuss on WhatsApp. So if you guys need to contact me anytime, then just call me up or message me, WhatsApp me. That is the best thing, that is the best way to reach out to me, because I get a lot of calls all day long. So yeah, you can anytime WhatsApp me, and I make sure that I reply as fast as possible. And apart from that, if you do require my contact details, yes, here. Sorry for that slide. My contact details are this. This is my number. You guys can always message me here. Sorry for that slide again. you guys can always message me here, and that's my Instagram. You can also text me on Instagram anytime. Also, the Telegram channel is where I post free sums for everyone. So if you want, I once in every 2 days I post their good LRDI sums. I post really good sums there. They are really good for practice. And that's it. That's all I had to say. Happy Republic Day, guys, and please start studying. This is the time, and you can get into JB. Don't worry. Okay. Bye bye.